Well, we're getting a few things tied up around here. We're okay here from where they fixed it the last time, so we're okay. We're gonna cap off the washing machine line. We'll put it underground so there won't be any problem with the house shifting and breaking that later on down the line. Got this one fixed. Up inside the wall. Down here to where we fix that leak, that'll stop our termite problem. We're going to leave this one open. This will be our final inspection for the water static test. Make sure we don't have any leaks anywhere. Everything shows to be fine now. We've had it full of water and nothing leaks. But we'll do the final one when we get everything else done. We get the foundation people here and get them out of the way. The commode and bathtub in here are fine. That's from that tub that we put in. There's no leaks under here, so we're okay there. We sure got a bunch of holes in these floors. It's a shame what you have to go through for slab foundation repair. A lot of digging here just to find the sewer line. You can see it runs over there before it goes down. And then of course the one in the bedroom. Oh well, okay. Alright, we're finishing up the sewer line stuff. Our water test is done. Now we're going to call the plumber over here to check everything, run his water test. Then we're going to cover everything up. But let me show you something that I've learned over the years, especially when you have to dig into one of these things, is when you get through with everything, as it's coming up through the wall, give these things up and down, side to side, round and round, all different directions to move, because these slab houses are going to move, and if that thing's tied into the concrete, the house is going to move and it's going to break again. So what we're going to do is what we've always done in the past, we've had good luck, is we fill this thing up around that pipe, just the pipe now, with that so-called well, some people call it play sand, other people call it something else, I can't remember the name of it. But it doesn't hold water like this cushion sand does. This cushion sand, what it does, when it gets wet, it compacts and it gets hard as a rock. Unless you dig on it. Now if you dig on it, it's real soft, but it won't let anything move in the ground. That play sand at least let things move around a little bit. I mean, we're not talking about inches. We're just talking about maybe, you know, an inch one way or another. I mean, the house could move a couple of inches, and if it is, then, you know, nothing is safe under the house. But in this case, being that this house moves around quite a bit, we're going to fix this to where we got plenty of movement in there. And the nice thing about this, it's already tied in over there, which means we've got that much lateral for it to move around without anything happening, which is great. That way the house can move several inches and we don't have to worry about it breaking here again. Alrighty, what a mess still, but now we're almost ready to start covering up.